hot butter.
What do you think's gonna happen?
You'll see. Good. Your food is ready.
Yay! Oh!
Touch it.
That smells so good.
Holy cow.
Oh, probably could have gone longer.
Whoa!
Dang.
Can I touch it? Hey,
I
somebody say
think
something.
styrofoam's kind of not the best.
I think we should do that again.
Is it cool to play with?
Yeah.
It's
Can I
weird.
play
It's like
with it?
super light and fluffy.
Daddy, can I play with it?
It's just soap, honey, and I don't want when it comes apart. I don't want you getting soap particles everywhere.
We will.
You can squeeze it and stuff if you want, though.
Yeah, don't get it all over the floor.
See, it didn't even melt. I didn't even do it all the way on some of it.
Oh my word. It's all over the wall.
Whoa!
Is it hot?
It's like going
warm.
down.
That's way crazy.
Oh,
Is
it's
that
like a cloud.
careful?
It's gonna be hot. Don't be getting too much.
What do you guys think?
Cool.
Is that awesome?
Thanks, Anthony.
Sure.
It's like a cloud.
Okay, let's go play with Angela.
Oh,
A new way to wash your
out.
hands.
Did it move it?
Yeah, I would go more. I bet.
That's crazy.
There's a lot left.
The Ivory soap has air bubbles inside. The air bubbles also have water inside them. The water expands, which then causes the air bubbles to expand and make the bar of soap lose its regular shape. That is a very simple explanation. Thanks for watching. If you want to see me do an experiment, comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.